Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing tortoiseshell nails. So for this set, I went ahead and bought this set of gel polish from Amazon by Sinvensky. And basically I'm going to be using the orange color, the red, and then this dark gray color. I'm also going to be using this opaque black and a nude. And lastly, a blooming gel. Let's get started. Once my base coat is cured, I'm going to go in with this nude color just so I can give the nail a bit more structure, more depth, and give a nice base so that this orange color can go on top of it very nicely. I don't want my nails to be translucent, so this is going to really help out. Next, I'm going to go in with this sheer orange, and this is really going to set the base of the design. Once this is cured, I'm going to go in with the blooming gel and add a nice even layer over top this layer. Without curing the blooming gel, I'm going to go in with that dark color from the Sinvensky and just make random little organic shapes all over the nail. I don't want them to be too uniform, so I'm going to make them various different shapes and sizes so that it looks more natural. Again, without curing, I'm going to go in with that dark black and go over the spots that I just made. Once you have all your shapes, you can go ahead and cure. Next, going in with the red, you're going to do a very, very, very thin layer of this red because it's super pigmented, so you don't want to do too much because it will overpower the entire design. So be sure to do a very thin layer of this because right on top of this, we're going to do another color. Once the red is nice and thin, we're going to go back with that deep gray, and this is the last time we're going to use this. So going over with this color is going to really neutralize everything and make it look nice and put together. I went ahead and added some gold flakes, but after this, you're just going to add your favorite top coat, and that is literally it. If you guys liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any tips for me or any critiques, be sure to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time.